Day 6. This cut is very important, so we have to be very precise so it all lines up. Now for the other side. Now we gotta plane it, and we have to go against the grain, which I never recommend doing because there's always a bit of tear out. These are now ready to cut. These outside pieces cut out. Now we gotta line these up. The grain matches perfectly. Mark where we need to cut. One will go on this side, one will go on this side. We've got our two drawer panels that correspond to the grain on either side. You can switch the drawer from side to side and the grain is still gonna match up. Check in tomorrow to hopefully see me glue all of these pieces onto the main table.